Hello, my lovely children. It's good to see you all again. I am so sorry. I haven't been reading story in a while, but I am back. And this time, I'm not going anywhere. My name is Joanna, and I'm here to read you a beautiful, lovely story. I hope you're ready. Okay? Let's get ready. Sit up straight like I am doing, and then let's get right into it. So the title of the story that I will be reading to you today is called Monkey Puzzle. I hope you can all see Monkey Puzzle right there. And it was written by Julia Donaldson and Axel scheffler. I hope you can see that. It's very exciting. There's loads and loads of animals that we're going to explore today. Okay? Shh. I've lost my mom. Oh dear, oh dear. Hush, little monkey. Don't you cry. I'll help you find her, said Butterfly. Let's have a think. How big is she? She's big, said the monkey. Bigger than me. Bigger than you. Then I've seen your mom. Come, little monkey. Come. No. That's an elephant. My mom isn't a great big gray hunk. She hasn't got tusks or a curly trunk. She doesn't have great thick buggy knees. And anyway, her tail coils around trees. She coils around trees, then she's very near. Quick, little monkey, she's over there. No, that's a snake. Mom doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl around a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mom's got more legs. Its legs we're looking for now, you say? I know where she is then. Come this way. No. That's a spider. Mom isn't black and hairy and fat. She's not got so many legs as that. She would rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. And she lives in the treetops way up high. She lives in the trees. You should have said. Your mom's hiding above your head. Let's find out. No. That's a parrot. Mom's got a nose, not a beak. She doesn't squawk or squabble or shriek. She doesn't have claws or feathery wings. And anyway, my mom lips and springs. Aha! I've got it. She lips about. She's just around the corner, without a doubt. I hope he's right this time. No. That's a frog. Butterfly. Please don't joke. Mom's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not all slimy. Oh dear, what a muddle. She's brown and furry and nice to cuddle. Brown? Fur? Why didn't you tell me so? We'll find her in no time. Off we go. Not again. No. That's a bat. Why do you keep on getting it wrong? Mom doesn't sleep the whole day long. I told you. She's got no wings at all. And anyway, she's not nearly so small. Your mom's not little. Now Let me think. She's down by the river having a drink. No, no, no. That's elephant again. Butterfly, butterfly. Can't you see? None of these creatures look like me. You never told me she looked like you. Of course I didn't. I thought you knew. I didn't know. I couldn't see. None of my babies look like me. So she looks like you. Well, if that's the case, we'll soon discover her hiding place. No, no, no. That's my dad. Come, little monkey. Come, come, come. It's time I took you home to Mom. Oh, what a cuddle. What a fuzzy, fuzzy little cuddle. And I'm sure you feel the same way when you hug your mummies and daddies. So, my lovely children, that's the end of my story. I hope you've learned something, and I hope you enjoyed exploring and seeing the different animals. I'll see you again next time. Bye.